To add an ad blocker to the Samsung Internet app on your Samsung Galaxy S26, you're going to open up Samsung Internet, and then you're going to tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner, and you're going to select Adblockers. From here, you can see available ad blockers that you can use in Samsung Internet. So go ahead and download one, then confirm that you wish to download it. And once it's been successfully downloaded and installed, you can see it's currently saying the toggle is currently blue, showing that it's been turned on. So this now means that you've successfully added an ad blocker to your Samsung Internet. If you want to customize it, you can always just tap on it like so, and then it should bring you a list of settings that you can use whenever it comes to customizing your ad blocker. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.